How to make a TikTok/YouTube video on VITA. Please subscribe if this helps. First of all, open VITA. Click New Project. Click on a video. Go to Effects. Choose an effect. Set the intensity. Click Adjust. Adjust it to your heart's content. Click Sticker. Click Sticker. Choose a sticker. You can make the effects as long as you want. Go to the Stock tab. You can look around, but I go to Images. Add whatever you like. Click on the image. Then click on Animation. After that, click Dynamic. Pick any animation. Go to Sound. Click Music. Pick any music you want. Once you've found the music you like, click the plus icon. If you pick ratio, it will make it the size for a YouTube short or TikTok. If you click the TikTok icon, add finishing touches. Final product in.